Hello, we're here at the 2016 Miami International Boat Show, and on display we have our 225 XSF. This is the nicest 22-foot center console in the market, and I'll tell you why. Starting out here at the engine, we have this boat powered with a 200 XCA Yamaha engine. This engine has fly-by-wire throttles, which make it nice, a nice smooth shift while you're at the helm. Also, as shown, this boat comes standard with dual swim platforms and a nice flexi-teak touch to the top of the platform. Moving into the boat, this boat has a few options which really set it off. As you can see, this is the tournament leaning post that we have this boat optioned out with. It's got about a 35-gallon leaning post in it, and then tackle drawers on either side. One of the most popular options that we offer for this boat, and without a doubt the nicest, is our fiberglass hardtop with a glass enclosure. As you can see, this top matches all the styling on this fiberglass piece, matches all of the rest of the styling within the boat. So it really sets the boat off. Also, the glass enclosure located back right here makes for a nice quiet ride when you're behind the helm of the boat. This boat has lots of little features in it that can sometimes go missed. Starting out here in the back, we've got a wave gate that folds down for nice easy boarding or swimming when you're using the swim platform. So all Scouts are 100% hand laid. And what that means to our consumers is that we can build a boat with a higher strength to weight ratio than any of our competitors. We don't use a chopper gun for any part, any piece of any of our Scout boats. So we use stitched biaxial glass that is hand laid, and it just allows us to build a stronger, lighter part, whether it's a console, whether it's a leaning post, or whether it's the structural components of the boat, like the hull, the stringer, and the deck. It also allows us to offer our consumers a better fit and finish. As you open up the bilge of this boat, in any of our Scout boats, you'll notice the same polish on the inside of the boat that you'll find on the outside of the boat. When this seat is folded up, it makes for a great beam-to-beam seat here in the back of the boat. Moving forward in the boat, all of our 225 XSFs come standard with this recessed coaming rail. This is great because it allows you, it doesn't stick up and get in your way. So if you ever did need to walk around the gunnel of the boat to board it or just move through the boat, you can without tripping over a handrail that's mounted on top of the gunnel. Inside this boat, we've got a porcelain head. It's a real toilet with a holding tank, and this is designed so that you can pump it out at the dock, or if you're offshore, you could pump it out offshore. Again, another nice feature that sometimes goes missed is this console liner. Many of our competitors choose to put carpet, vinyl, or other materials inside of their consoles. The reason why we don't is those materials hold moisture, they deteriorate, and they're difficult to clean and maintain as you own the boat over the years. Well, we go with a polished console liner. It's an expensive part for us to build. It basically requires that we build 2 console parts, but in the end we feel like it's worth it. The same fit and finish that you see, again, on the outside, you'll see on the inside. In the console, the bilge, and even under our lids. All of our lids are fully polished. They're not just polished on the backside, but even the edges are polished. It's just, again, another fit and finish detail that we put into our boat, so we feel makes our product the best in its class. You've got 2 insulated boxes here, another insulated box here. So all 3 of these boxes could be used as coolers, and these are engineered to be fish boxes because they drain right overboard. This is your anchor locker in the bow of the boat. It's got a saddle bracket, which is a carrier for an anchor. And then there's also access underneath that bracket that's right underneath the hatch in the bow, so that if you get a kink in the line or something, you can get to it. From a performance standpoint, again, this is one of the best 22-foot boats ever built, and we feel like it's the best in the market today. If you look at the fuel efficiency and performance on the boat, rigged with this 200, it will reach speeds right around 50 miles an hour and fuel efficiency of over 4 miles per gallon. We hope that you can get out on this boat at your local MarineMax dealership and check it out for yourself, or visit us at scoutboats.com.